Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Temu haul. This is a relatively small bag, but it is because this is a jewelry haul, so lots of the packages are very small. I did also get a couple pairs of fake nails. I've been loving the Temu fake nails so much. It's my favorite thing to get on Temu. This is my most recent pair. They're so fun and glittery. I've been getting so many compliments. So let's go ahead and go through everything in here. Temu did send all of this to me, which means I do have a code for you. So I will put that up on the screen so you can save yourself a little bit of money and take advantage of their offers. I also will have all of the products linked down below for you so you can easily shop them. And let's go ahead and dive in here. We'll start with the fake nails because, like I said, I've been on a fake nail kick. First ones I got in here are some cherries. Then I got these, which are orange with some smiley faces. I think these are so cute. And then I got this multi-pack, which came in a pack of 4. Comes with this dark blue, a kind of dark purple, almost blackish brown, this fun olive green. I've been loving this color recently. And a true kind of dark red. So these are probably gonna be more fall tones, but I really like the colors, so I'm excited for those. I have all of our jewelry. First thing I got in here is a set of magnetic clasps. Because I've been doing so many nails, anytime I want to open a bracelet, wear a necklace, anything like that, I have to have my boyfriend do it, and I am an independent woman who wants to do things myself. So I decided to get these, and I'm going to replace the clasps on some of my favorite pieces to these magnetic ones. This came in a pack of 5, and they're kind of heart-shaped, so I'm excited about these. And then, like I said, it's a little heart. Not sure how easy you'll see that. So that's great. And for a pack of 5, it was super cheap. Whereas if I went to a craft store, these would be quite expensive. Next up, we have a necklace. This is a kind of paperclip chain style, and you can pick any letter, but I picked E for my name. And then you get it's kind of like a diamondy bedazzled shape. Honestly, the quality of this is really nice. We'll have to see how it lasts. A lot of my Temu jewelry has been like top tier. The only thing that I had that didn't go super well was just rings that I got the wrong size of. So quality wise, I am feeling pretty good about this one. I really like the color gold on this. It's not too yellow. It's not too white. I feel like this is good. Then we have a ring. Let's hope I got this in the right size. This one is kind of a multi-piece ring, and it's also adjustable, which is great. So it doesn't matter if I got the wrong size. So, ooh, okay, that looks pretty bougie. Honestly, I'm impressed with that one. I like that a lot. Fits nicely, even without it needing to be adjustable. I'm hyped for that one. Okay, that's a good one. Okay, then we got this one. This is a little bit more rose gold than I thought it was gonna be. I don't think I intended to get rose gold because I never wear rose gold. I got this in a 7, which is usually my ring size, but I feel like it's just been, oh yeah, this is a little tight for that finger, so that's gonna be a no. I think this is just too tight for me. I'll put it on my pinky for now. But like I said, rose gold, not really my jewelry metal of choice, but it does have these cute little white hearts. So that's pretty nice. I mean, I feel like quality wise, it's pretty good. I just guess I got the wrong size. So that is that. Then we have another ring. This one is I don't know what this is called, like maybe like a teardrop style. They're very popular, and oh, they're so pretty. Okay, so that is what that one looks like. Very trendy. I feel like this is such a like Pinteresty ring. I really like this one. I think this is very pretty, super comfortable, feels really nice. Quality is good. Again, the gold is not a brassy or yellow gold, so I am pretty happy with that. We have a 4-pack of adjustable rings. Got these in an 8, so let's hope. Ooh, see these? I feel like Like the difference color-wise between this one and these are like super yellow. I'm not loving that. I'm not loving that. But there are 4 different shapes. Yeah, I mean, I don't think I'm gonna love these just because they're so yellow. My finger's already swollen from putting rings on. Ooh, see, like some of these don't fit. One of them fits fine. One of them's too loose and one of them's too tight. So this is kind of what they look like. Like I said, they all kind of fit me a little differently. But I'll probably wear them on different fingers anyways, so that should be fine. My finger is so unhappy with me. Next up, we have a chain. I think I just got a regular chain because I wanted to add some charms that I have. I had a chain break recently with a charm that I like, so I'm probably going to replace it. Yeah, I don't really like this one actually. It's kind of, feels very like costume jewelry to me. Yeah, like it's fine. For what it costs, it's great, but quality overall, not that exciting. And we have some fun earrings. I originally thought that I was going to get this in time for Valentine's Day, and then I placed my order after the fact. So of course it didn't get here in time. But this is what these look like. They have kind of like heart pearls. I think these are really cute. Quality on these is not anything amazing. They look really good, like really, really good. But I don't think they feel particularly amazing, but you know, they're gonna be in your ears and no one's gonna be feeling them but you. So I'm still happy with them. This chain snake bracelet set. This is an interesting gold. This is less yellow, more like champagne. Kind of like a white gold. Ooh, I actually feel like this looks kind of nice. Let's see. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put all of these on because like I said, yeah, I just broke that. Yeah, that one's on me. That one's on me. I completely ripped that. So these are, I mean, this quality of this one is like not particularly great. And then we have this one, which I'm not going to try to put on my wrist because I will break it. But I really like this stretchy one. I've been into stretchy bands that don't look like stretchy bands. So I think that's really nice. And then this is the chain one. And then the one that I broke is this one. No, this one definitely feels the least high end. This one feels, you know, pretty small, frail, nothing exciting. But then this one feels really good. So honestly, for the price, this one alone is like totally worth it to me. Then we have one more ring. I think this is adjustable. So luckily there's no sizing for me to mess up. Ooh, this is pretty. This is like a pearl and a kind of diamond studded one. That's really pretty. I like that a lot. The pearls are actually nicer quality than I thought they'd be. So I actually feel like they're gonna be pretty secure. I'm into that one. And then lastly, I got this set of bracelets. This is what that stack looks like. So I think these are pretty. They're nothing like super special or, you know, incredible quality, out of the park. But I feel like for summer or even just like spring, these are gonna be great bracelets to like not have to worry if you're swimming or going to the lake or the water park. Like this kind of thing is totally fine. So I'm pretty happy with that. So that was everything. I feel like this was a pretty successful haul. I mean, I got so much stuff. I think overall, the things that I'm the most excited about are probably these 2 rings. I think these are gonna be pieces that I wear often, and then this bracelet. I mean, let me know what you think down below, and if you decide to buy anything from this video, everything will be linked down below, and then I will have my code here up on the screen to save you some money, and I'll put that in the description box for you too. I'm out of breath, but thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me. I really do appreciate you being here, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. In the meantime, hope you have a killer day. Bye!